Morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Angel of Labason again. This time, kakanta din ulit tayong parody, parody songs. Sana mag-enjoy po kayo. Okay, thank you so much. Only you. Only you can pay your debt to me. Only you can fix this problem right. Only you and your big love can break my trust to you. Please give me back my cash, or I'll hate you. Only you can make our friendship worse. For it's true, you're now my enemy. When you need my help, I understand and lend you what I save. My nightmares come true because I can't find you. Only you can make our friendship worse. For it's you, you're now my enemy. Okay. When you need my help, I understand and lend you what I save. My nightmares come true because I can't find you. Diba? Nakakatuwa itong kantang ito. Okay, another parody songs. Dedicated to OFW wives. Kinanta ng asawa na naiwan sa bahay. Oh, my wife, my darling, we're longing for your touch. A long, long time crying every night. Think of you, think of you. When you're coming home, wait for you. Oh, my wife, my darling, we're longing, longing for your touch. Time goes by so slowly. I miss you so much. Are you still we need your love. We need your time. God knows us Diba? Sakit. Sapat-sapat po. Mga OFW. Thank you po. Sana nagustuhan po niyo ang mga parody songs ni Mami Angel. Thank you so much. Hanggang sa susunod nating cover song. Salamat po at shout out po sa inyong lahat. God bless everyone. Love you all. Thank you.